Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Sports X app on your Amazon Fire Stick device to watch all of your favorite sports channels on your Fire Stick. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do, move to the search, slide down and click on search bar. Then a little keyboard appear on your screen, allowing you to search any app that is available on the Amazon App Store. Today we are here for the downloader app. Let's type the downloader. Right after typing 2-3 words, section list appear. So we don't need to type entire spelling. Let's slide down and click on the downloader. Next, click on this bright orange color downloader icon. Next screen, click on the download button and give your system just a few seconds until this app downloaded and installed on our Fire Stick device. Now it says open the app, but guys, I don't want to open this app yet because I need to give downloader app permission to download and install apps that are not available in Amazon App Store. So all we need to do, hold down remote home button, then a shortcut menu appear on screen. Here, click on settings, move right, click on my Fire TV. Alright, here you can see that I have a developer option on my Fire Stick. If you don't see this option on your Fire Stick screen, don't worry, it's super easy to get. All you need to do, click on the about, then click 8 times on Fire TV Stick 4K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then a little pop-up appear on screen asking you no need, you are already a developer options. Now hit the back button, slide down, click on developer options. Here you need to turn on apps from unknown source. Slide down, click on it, click turn it on. Now apps from unknown source is enabled. Go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now guys, here you need to find the downloader app that we have just installed on our Fire Stick device. Move to the apps and click on it. Here you will find all the applications that you have installed on your Fire TV Stick. Slide down and click on downloader app. First time launching this app, it will ask you some permissions. Click on allow and then hit OK. Now guys, this is the home screen of the downloader app. Here you will find some menus on the left side and one search bar on the home screen. So let's click on the search bar by pressing remote select button 2 times, once, twice. Then a keyboard appear on the screen allowing you to download any app that is not available in Amazon App Store. So today we are going to download Sports X on our Fire Stick device. So let's type the Sports X app code 4 3 4 1 8 2. After typing the code, slide down and click on go button. Then within a few seconds, our app will start downloading. Once the downloading complete, it will take you to the installation process. Here click on install and it will take a few seconds. Once the app installed, click on done and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore to taking our Fire Stick valuable space. Click on delete, hit delete again. Now press and hold the remote home button for a few seconds. And at this time, we are going to select apps. Guys, as you remember that all the newest app that we have installed always goes to the bottom of the list. Slide down and click on the Sport X app and start watching all of your favorite sport channels on your Fire Stick. That's it guys. In today's video, I'll meet you in the next video. And don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.